good Tuesday morning to you. I forgot to mention yesterday, as I often do, if you have, you more than likely have a project that needs to be completed this week. On Monday, if you can make just a general plan, then it always goes easier when you have some sort of plan. And if you didn't make any kind of plan yesterday, it's still Tuesday morning if you're watching on Tuesday morning, and you can just make a rough plan and work backwards from Friday as to when you need to have certain things, steps accomplished, and you'll be just fine. Who am I? I'm Kitty Andrews with declutterthebrain.com, empowering my fellow neurodivergents, ADHD Central here, to simplify their lives and focus on the one thing, right, Susan, that will skyrocket their daily productivity. And stay tuned. In about 4 minutes from now, we will show you exactly how we do that in our ADHD-CONNECT membership club. Okay, now, the topic this week, simplify your kids' spaces. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, to save your own sanity when you're trying to look for things. Your PJs are here somewhere. Yeah, and I have seen a child's room like that. Oh, yeah. And also you want to teach them lifelong habits. You don't want them to be Miss Slobbiness for the rest of their life. Okay, it's going to affect their self-esteem. So, a couple of quick ground rules that we went over yesterday. Don't try to do it all in one day. Give yourself about a month or so and expect pushback, because kids are not going to want to change until they change, and then they love it, right? Well, why didn't I think of this before? See if you can get a friend who needs to do the same thing with her kid's room, and then you can have fun texting each other's pictures and stuff like that. A buddy system is very good. Now, today, where to start, little Susie? That's right, overwhelm, yes. Now, as with any simplifying or decluttering project, you want to make sure that you, what is it, Susan? Discard the obvious trash. You know that you have books there that they're falling apart, and you know you'll never fix them. Same with the broken toys that you'll never fix. Single socks. Well, I might find it. I'm just going to give you the kitty stare right there. Outgrown clothes, outgrown and unplayed with toys. Okay, so just get rid of the things that are obvious, and you will clear about, honestly, you'll clear about a third of the items just doing that. Maybe you can donate these things to the younger sibling, or a local charity. Certainly someone that would really appreciate this, as opposed to, and including Value Village, Goodwill, that's fine, but the women's shelters, they scream. They have told me that they are screaming for things for the kids, because these women have run out with nothing on but the clothes on their back. So these kids need something new to them, to keep them interested during all the trauma. So, oh my God, can you imagine what an impact that you will make? So, thing for today, just discard the obvious trash. The things that you know that you're never going to use, or they're broken. Please don't give the broken things, the garbage, to the women's shelter, right? Okay, that should go without saying, but just in case. Anyway, get rid of the obvious trash too, and then we'll move through the rest of the steps through the week. And ADHD-CONNECT membership club. Hey, we have fun, we get things done. It's just our Wednesday group meeting is just the tip of the iceberg of this very simple but effective productivity program. We have daily productivity prompts and our Wednesday meeting. So why not text the number below and score your no-cost guest pass. Come and join us. And there's a mystery gift just for attending. Yep, Okay. Have a terrific day. Thank you for liking and subscribing, and we will talk to your smiling faces tomorrow. Bye for now.